Ladies and gentlemen, for your enjoyment, the Spirit of Long Island. Team consists of two separate teams. Each team must time its movements to coincide with the other in order to execute a perfectly synchronized maneuver. And we start today's program with a little square dancing as the two teams meet each other in the center of the square and do-si-do their partners. The two teams will now form reverse circles, revolving around our color guard. And following the lead horse out, the riders combine into one large circle. And now they'll separate into four teams to execute a four-spoke wheel with the color guard forming the hub of the wheel. Breaking away from the wheel, the teams form mini sweeps, allowing them to move into position for a double team thread. And the teams are back into the mini sweeps once again, moving into formation to execute the full team thread. Graceful full sweeps will set the teams up for the crowd-pleasing favorite, the ever-impressive pinwheel. the swinging gate. And up next is the Zipper, with 10 color guards zipping through the remainder of the lineup. The Zipper is the Echelon, which is a move maneuver used by the New York City Mounted Police for the purpose of crowd control. Just imagine this V formation moving through an unruly crowd. And the full team march will set the stage for a hold your breath move that requires precise coordination by the riders and their mounts, as well as perfect timing to safely execute the suicide wheel. And following the suicide wheel is the crisscross. And concluding our program, the riders once again present a majestic full team march. And a round of applause for a great performance.